Okay, so it's got the first coat protectant on it. Okay, so first, squeeze these together. Two more on this side. Really don't think I need to go from the other side, which means I probably should have just done all these from that side so we don't see them from here. It's got this long shank, so it allowed it to pull through. Yeah, that did pull it in. Alright, good. Yep, I see that gap, but it's what it is. Got plenty of these, I'm just going to load them up. Wow, I actually can't believe I cut it that well. All I did was use the multi-tool. Wow, I guess maybe I'll show you the other one. Alright, I did already cut that one. Just wanted to clean it out. Now I have some pressure treated 4x4 left over. So I'm going to straighten all this out. I'm going to fit that piece in there, secure it, and then hang the fern down from there. Okay. How's that for a straight line? Think it's perpendicular? Alright, that looks great. Now I gotta make a chunk of wood to fit that. And the weight's actually gonna pull it down and put it in there even more better. Alright, But next step is to put a second coat of sealant down here. I have the Staghorn Fern temporarily hung up. Do want to raise it some, but I don't have enough chain on there at this point. I need to get some more chain. That's not enough to wrap around again. Hopefully this thing will start growing again now that it's out in the open. I just lightly watered it with a little mist. We'll see what happens. Since this thing ended up mostly dead, I mean, look at that thing. Took the chainsaw to it. Snagged what I could off of it and just mounted it to the stand. I don't even know what to call this. Maybe I'll take some from the one up front, move some more on here. Hopefully they will grow and grow more of them. We will find out. Now let's see what happens here. Maybe we took a little too close to the base here. Maybe this should have been thicker. Doesn't seem too bad like that one. Look how thick that is. But we are seeing this. Gotta keep track of this, obviously. A couple of them I understand. Some of these should be good. Well, just keep an eye on it. April 16, 2021. Here's what we've got going for the amaryllis out back. They're holding their own. I do lightly water them daily, or darn near it, or every other day. And here's where it came off of. Oh, a couple of them. It's gonna take a while for them just to come back, if they do. I hope so. That'd be cool if they just start growing all over this thing. It's the plan, the hope, not the plan, the hope.